Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sakib Granada. My student ID is 103062500014.
Okay, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Faris Yazra. My student ID is 103062500068.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hussein. My student ID is 103062500024.
We are from class 2401 and it's the group 1 of English course. Today we are discussing about our major and reasons of why we are choosing it. And now I will give 3 questions here. The first one is, why did you choose your major? It's the first, and the second is, how do you like your major so far? And the last is, how about your plan on the future? And the first person to answer the following 3 questions is Muhammad Sakif, and the second is me, and the last is Muhammad Hussein.
When talking about college major, there are maybe some questions that I ask myself. Why did I choose this major? Why did I decide to be here? The answer is because in a world where most humans workers will be replaced by machines and AI, I want to find my place in it. So I can still do something that is relevant, that is something that is part of my interest. I can say that maybe I like playing video games and are interested to maybe someday developing one. Speaking of video games, my hobby is also reading stories, so I can incorporate some story inspiration into the game and the video game lore. One of my talents is also drawing. It helps me picture my imagination and inspiration. How do I like my major so far? So far it's quite alright to me, even though I struggle a bit to the point where I thought to myself that I may be on the wrong major. But I'm really trying to keep up for my studies right now. How was my first week in college? It's definitely new to me because it's a lot different than how things were in high school. But I'm still adapting to it. So finally, what are my plans for the future? Well, like any other people, I want to graduate and work on a good company. Maybe even obtain a scholarship overseas or from another country.
Okay, let me answer the 3 questions. The first one is, why did I choose my major? Well, I chose this major because I'm interested in computing and problem solving. However, I didn't have any prior experience in computers at all since I attended high school that didn't offer an IT programs at the time. This is different from vocational high school, which offer IT programs at certain schools. I also believe that an IT major offers broad career opportunities and bright future. Additionally, the IT curriculum is highly stimulating and helps my mind continue to develop. Okay, I'll move on to the second question. How do you like your major so far? So far, 70% of it has met my expectation, but where does the other 30% go? Unfortunately, that 30% suppress my dissatisfaction with this major, ranging from inconsistent teaching in the lecturers to professors who weren't clear about the direction of the instruction. But so far, I'm still quite satisfied with this major as it strongly supports my ability to continue growing and developing a broad range of skill. And now we come to the last questions. What are my plans for the future? My plan is to complete my degree in just 3.5 years, and then pursue professional studies or master degrees. I also aspire to join IT team at BUMN, Google, or Apple.
When I look at where I'm right now, a few questions often cross my mind. Why did I choose this major? For me, it wasn't just a random choice. I've always been fascinated by the entirety of computing, not just the code that runs on the screen, but the actual hardware that breathes life into it. I wanted to understand both the brain and the body of technology. In a world that's becoming more digital by machine, I want to be the person who understands how the machine thinks from the circuits up to the software. Okay, how do I like my job so far? If I had put a number on it, I say I'm about uh, 18, 85% in love with it. That 15% gap, well, that's just the reality of the grind on the long nights and the complex bugs. But honestly, the thrill of finally solving a problem or seeing the problem work perfectly makes it all worth it. Generally, enjoy what I'm learning, and that passion is what keeps me going even when the coursework get heavy. And finally, what about my plans for the future? I've always aimed to go beyond borders. My goal is to become a full stack developer, mastering on both ends of the spectrum, but I don't just want to work anywhere. I'm aiming to global states. I have my sights set on joining tech company in Singapore, gaining that internal experience and contributing to the fast-paced tech hub there. Yeah, it's a big goal, but I'm building the foundation for it, one line of a code at a time.
Now we are talking about our experience as a information technology student, and the first is me. My first impression as a student at Telkom University was that I met new friends who were all very supportive and helped me whenever I encountered difficulties with my studies. I was also surprised by the teaching methods, as everything was done using laptops or computers, something I rarely experienced in secondary school, where laptops were seldom used as a learning tool. How about you, Zen?
For me, my impression of my first week studying at Telkom University was that I met new friends and since I had already covered some of the course material before, I didn't have any trouble keeping up with the coursework. What about you?
My first week and impression as a college student. It's very mixed up feeling, and it's for the weird reasons. Mostly because in the class I have already learned about most of the lessons through in high school. But it's very different for me because I don't have to wake for 6 a.m. anymore every day, as the classes start at random times.
Okay. By the way, besides the studying IT, we also have our own interests, hobbies, and talent. I have an interest in computers, such as programming language, problem solving, and mathematics. I'm very interested in challenge because they push our minds to think more deeply. I also have some sports hobbies, such as playing futsal, which is helps keep my body fit and athletics. I also enjoy mountain climbing because it's good for my health and allows me to see beautiful scenery. Another hobby of mine is playing Mobile Legends and PUBG Mobiles. I think playing games really helps my trying to the brain to think quickly. I'm also interested in solving math problems. My talent lies in problem solving. Ever since I was a child, I've enjoyed practicing with problem solving activities. I also have a talent for mathematics because ever since I was a child, my mother has given me math problems to solve. How about you, Zen?
My hobby like basically a series of loops like code, game, and learn, and then repeat again. My talent is precision is my signature. I bring a gamer's focus to every line of code, ensuring every pixel and endpoint is optimized for the performance. For interests like I'm deeply invested in the world of full stack development, where I can bridge the gap between robust server side and logic seamless for user performance.
My hobbies and talents are quite short and simple. My hobbies are playing games and reading. My talent is drawing because I draw when I had the time to do so. My interest, I'm interested in coding. And why is that? It's because I like the feeling of being satisfied when finish a code. It's like the it work type of feeling.
Okay, we are finished and yeah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.